find this car fairly quick. So we'll just make it known that we're here and then look for a nice smooth overtake. Using this road to help us on the corner and then back round again. Nothing on the left. The suspension is absolutely first class. Let's wind it up a bit more. Car coming down, going to meet on this sharp corner. So back it right off of that car, then get back on it again, just so we're not going to run wide at all. Just driving out of those corners, feeling that drive coming in. It's lovely. Touch your brakes, back it off, see the corner, drive it round. Snowpoles are wonderful, let us know exactly where the road's going. Bit bumpy there. Bumpy, 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 snowpoles, snowpoles, snowpoles. Looking ahead. Where does that road go? Cattle grid. Brake straight. Turn, power. Looking through that corner all the while. Peg down. Snowpoles, snowpoles. Nothing coming. Watch those cat's eyes. Just watching these bumps as well. They're not going to ground out just when we need a bit of clearance. Snowpoles, snowpoles. Tipping it in. Keep it tipped. Just pushing that bar. Watch your head on the snowpoles. Beautiful. Bit of an S-bend, give it some brakes, give it some counter steering, drive on. Find the red car, and then on we go. Snowpoles telling us where to go. Slow, slow, slow it says. Snowpoles, snowpoles, nothing behind. Use the road. Look at the road, see where it's going, get it cranked over, drive it on. Save again. Cattle grid, keep the cattle grid nice and straight. Where's the cattle grid? There it is. Straight over that, then turn, then power it on. Jump into the corner, suspension doing its job, snowpoles up over the top. Keep that pace going. Beautiful. Snowpole, snowpole. Tip it in. Keep it tipped in. Look at the snowpoles. Corner opens up. And off we go. Stand up a bit on the pegs. Bit bumpy. Just looking where the corner's going. There's a van parked down there. Looks like a camper van. should be okay. Nobody behind us. Buried in. On we go. And that is Snowpole Road. We've got a lot of time for it.